Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to change your Fanduel Sports Network subscription. So what we're going to do is head on over to FanduelSportsNetwork.com. I'll link this page down in the video description. And from here, what we want to do is click sign in the upper right-hand corner. Sign in with the email and password that are associated with your Fanduel Sports Network account, and then click sign in. Once you're signed into your account, you can click on your little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. And then from our account details page, what we want to do is go down and click on where it says subscription. And then in the subscription tab, click on packages. And then from here, you're going to have a few options. So you can either cancel subscription, and when your billing period is done, it will cancel your subscription at that point. You can pause your subscription, and you can set this to either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 months pause before it'll start charging you again. Or if you're on a monthly plan like I am, you could upgrade to the annual plan if you choose to do so. And those are going to be the different options here that you have to change your subscription. So I hope this quick video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.